Olive, come on. Come on. Hey, come on. Now here's your arch enemy. Come on. He's your arch enemy. He's the guy you love to tear to pieces. Here. Come on. Now, hold on. Hey, where you going? There. Olive, oh, you were just beating him up like he was a bad, I don't know what. Now what are you doing? Oh, brother. What's going on? Oh, I think I see. Oh, who's supposed to clean that up? I don't think the dog likes me. Come on, let's give it a try. No, he doesn't like me. Come on, hold on. Give it a try.